Are scheduling headaches slowing down your business? From manual availability tracking to complicated shift changes, poor scheduling can lead to costly mistakes and wasted time. But with tools like Auto Assign Week and Save Week as template, these make scheduling seamless. Let me show you how to turn scheduling chaos into clarity. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to streamline your business and build your brand. Today's video is sponsored by Connecteam, a platform that's free for teams up to 10 and very affordable for larger teams. I'm excited to show you how Connecteam's robust features simplify scheduling and reduce errors, keeping your business efficient and your team happy. Scheduling isn't just about assigning shifts. It's about creating a process that's efficient, transparent, and fair. Let me jump into Connecteam now and show you how it makes this possible. Managing schedules manually often leads to overwhelming back and forth on employee availability, confusion due to lack of schedule visibility, and errors from manual shift changes. These issues impact employee morale, customer satisfaction, and your bottom line. But Connecteam offers simple, powerful solutions that I'm going to show you. Let me show you two right away from the admin dashboard. I'll click Actions, and I'll point out Connecteam's Auto Assign Week. This feature quickly fills shifts based on employee availability, preferences, and qualifications, as well as Copy Previous Week, which I'll actually demo for you. In a click, it makes it easy to replicate successful schedules that you've previously done. And just like that, we have a calendar filled. Isn't that awesome? It's a really great way to save hours of planning by letting the system handle repetitive tasks and avoid mistakes by automating shift assignments. Next, I want to show you just how easy it is to save and load templates. We are all tired of building those schedules from scratch, so the whole point of these suite of features is to prevent that, having to do it from scratch. So check this out, Save Week as Template. Connecteam lets you save an entire week like the one that we just populated, so that you can actually use it as a reusable template. Here, we would just give it a name, whether it's a seasonal schedule, a rotating shift pattern, a one-off event. Think about your own business and how you could adapt this. I'll click Save Template, and just like that, these templates are ready to load with a single click. I'll skip forward to next week, which is empty for now, but I'll go and load a week template, find my seasonal schedule, single click, and load it. As you can see, this feature not only saves you time, but it also maintains consistency and it reduces the risk of errors. Plus, you can easily adjust if you need to account for any changes, which makes this a really flexible and reliable tool for any scheduling scenario. That's perfect for seasonal businesses or repeating schedules. But what about sharing these schedules? That's easy too. I'm going to show you. When I say easy, I mean seriously, it has never been easier. I'll select Actions, and right down here, you're going to see the option as an admin to create a shareable link, which you can instantly distribute schedules to employees, ensuring that they see and confirm their shifts in just a few clicks. This eliminates the hassle of back and forth emails or miscommunications, and it keeps everyone on the same page. Now I've got a link that I can share with my employees. It's also worth mentioning that employees can sync their schedules with their personal calendars, whether it's Google, Outlook, iCal. This gives them greater visibility into helping to reduce confusion. And something I want to mention about this link, this is shareable, including for people outside your organization. So think clients, partners, office monitors, and more. They'll see the schedule in a read-only format. I'll go ahead and publish these shifts. And now I'll show you how that link looks, just like this. Recipients can see only published shifts and they cannot make any changes, and the schedule reflects the by users view for clarity. Now, hopping over to my mobile device where I can see a push notification from Connecteam on my 3 published shifts. Up to this point, we've looked from the admin dashboard, but this is how your employees are going to see and interact with their schedule. I, for one, love shift confirmations. So I've clicked onto a shift there that I've been scheduled for, and I can actually select that confirmation button in the bottom right. And if I want, I can add a note and click confirm. This further enhances accountability by ensuring employees acknowledge and commit to their shifts. This significantly reduces no-shows. And at a glance, I can see the shift details here, including time, date, location, the category of my job, any attachments if needed. And while we've talked so much about scheduling in this video, I'm going to point out a few other features that just go hand in hand, complementing scheduling perfectly, like finding a replacement without having the back and forths. Here I can see which teammates are available, and from there, send a request without even having to trouble my manager. Let's say I want to ping my manager and have a quick chat about something. I can select that icon in the bottom right. It'll indicate the status of your manager. In this case, I'm playing both roles. I am not clocked in at the moment, and I love that it lets my employee know. No need for Slack or WhatsApp or any other messaging app. Everything is centrally located in Connecteam. Even the ability to have a time clock, which becomes available for me to use when my shift begins. I've also got my timesheet here where I'll keep track of all the times that I have worked. So it's not only the manager that can be keep track of these things, but also me as an employee. I love that all of this is organized beautifully for me within the mobile app. Here I can see my schedule. I can see everyone else's schedule as well. I can note my availability on this tab. Let's say, for example, I want to mark this unavailable. I can do so in a few seconds, just like that. And you'll see quickly how this platform, while it can do so much, it never becomes overwhelming to use. Finally, in the bottom right on the Replacements tab, you'll see here the requests that I had just sent, which are pending a response. Now, before we leave the mobile app, I'm just going to point out a few other things. We've talked about job scheduling, the time clock. Here you're seeing a quick peek at the news feed. The chat, which I mentioned a second ago, that's an icon built into the navigation where I can have one-to-one DMs or group chats and threads. As well as this Assets tab is going to give you a preview of all the ways that you can be using this platform as a business. Chat, directory, quizzes, onboarding updates, forms, a knowledge base, marking time off, and so much more. Trust me when I say that Connecteam is the perfect solution for your business. With Connecteam, scheduling becomes more than just assigning shifts. It's about improving communication, reducing errors, and saving time. Tools like auto-assign, week, and share schedule let you focus on running your business, not fixing scheduling mistakes. Connecteam is free for teams up to 10 employees with affordable options for larger teams. Start your free trial, no credit card required, and see the difference that it can make for you and your business. If you've got any questions, let's have a chat in the comments below. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. A huge thanks to Connecteam for sponsoring this video. Next, I'm going to share a few other videos I've made about Connecteam that I think you're going to be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching those. Coming up next.